Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze market. This is Euro GBP pair and major trend is uptrend market, minor trend is downtrend market. Let's see, this is a very strong rejection, but I am expecting to make a bearish candle. Okay, I'll place a lower option. Why? Because this candle make a new low and next buyer entry pointed here. There is a gap. This is a very strong momentum. Okay, so that's why reason I place a lower option. Let's say I'm expecting continue the market at least at this level. Okay, now this level and this is a resistance level. Okay, this is a winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a lower option. This is a very strong candle, engulfing candle, so that's why reason I place a lower option. I'm expecting to make another bearish candle. Okay, this is a market momentum. This is a buyer's area. This is a seller's area. Okay, this is seller's area. Now this is a buyer's area. Okay, let's break out the buyer's area. Okay, very strong seller's entry. Let's see, we have 10 seconds only. I have checked the next pair and there is a very strong seller's area. Okay, we have observed how to behave this market. Okay, little bit go down. I will try to place a higher option. Okay, it's not giving the opportunity. Okay, I will place a higher option. Okay, I will place a higher option. I'm expecting this type of market. This is a seller's area. It's a very strong buying force, so that's why reason I place a higher option. It's a very strong momentum. After this single bearish candle, it's continue the market. I'm expecting. You can see this market, it's going to more up, touch the resistance area, again going to make a bearish candle. Okay, but it's make a doji candle. Okay, this is also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, this is also very strong momentum. Little bit go down. I'll try to place a higher option. Okay, I'll place a higher option, and this is a very strong momentum, so that's why reason I place a higher option. Okay, now next seller's entry pointed here. Okay, I'm placing exactly seller's area, but this is a very strong momentum. Maybe it's giving a winning trade. Why? Because this is a very strong momentum. There is a fast momentum candles. Okay, exactly closing point at the seller's area, this candle, and this also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, little bit go down and try to press a higher option. Okay, this is a good opportunity. Okay, it's going up. Okay, we have checked the support and resistance levels. There is a support level, there is a resistance level, and this also minor level. It's going to down. Okay, I'm expecting next candle make a bearish candle. Okay, I'll place a layer option, but this is a minor buyer's area. You can see, and this is a buyer's area also. This is a buyer's area. Okay, this is a market momentum. It's breakout after support level, and this is a very strong candle, and this also downtrend market, so that's why reason I place a layer option. And this also very strong candle. Okay, and next support level at here. Okay, this is a market momentum. It's going to move down. Okay, this is also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, I'll place a higher option. It's a 50-50 chances. Why? Because there is a seller's area, support level turn into a resistance level, or sometimes it's continue the market. This is a uptrend market momentum. This is a buyer's area, next buyer's area at here. Let's see, this is a buyer's area also, but this also support and resistance level. Okay, we have 5 seconds only, and this also winning trade, but this is a major level is uptrend market, so that's why reason I place a higher option. Okay, and major trend is downtrend market. Sometimes it's continue the market at this level, previous support levels. Okay, and don't expect at this again buyer's entry point. Why? Because this is not a strong momentum, this is only single candle. Okay, and this is a major trend is uptrend market. You can see very strong bullish candles. Okay, I'll stop this trading. I'll place a 6 trades, all are winning trades, and I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, join my Telegram video course, and Zoom class also available. Contact on my WhatsApp. Contact details are see this video description below. Okay, thank you.